This is a brief video to show you how to access your email, your It's Learning page, and your online textbook. The first step is to always make sure that you're logged on to your email. You'll log on to your email by going to start.hcps.org. Once you get to that Harford County Public Schools homepage, you want to make sure that you've logged into your email. You will hit the Office 365 button, and yours will ask you to put in your username and password. Your username is your email address, which is your first name, last name, at student.hcps.org. Your password is the same password that you use to log on to your computer. Once you are in your email, you will open up a new window or a new tab. In this tab, let's start by going to the It's Learning page. You'll go once again to start.hcps.org. From here, you'll click the It's Learning button. When you click the It's Learning button, it might redirect you to a page where you'll have to put in your email and password again, just like you did on your email. It's the same thing. It is first name, last name, at student.hcps.org. Your password is the same password as it would be to log into your email. When you come to this page, yours will look slightly different than mine. You're going to click on Courses. From the drop-down menu, you'll click the English 10 Taylor 2020. Your page will look like, not like this is mine. Your page will look like this. For the week 6 work, you're going to see it posted right here. All you have to do is click the Start button, and it will play you through each resource that I have set up in order by week. If you need to go back to a previous week, you will go into your plans, you will scroll down, and here you will see the resources for the previous week's work. You'll start with whatever you need. Okay? Unit 4 opener, that's the main page. So each week is set up like this. Right now we are on week 6, but we'll be soon moving into week 7 next week. Finally, I want to show you how to get into your Holt Online textbook. There are a couple of ways that you can do this, but let's start. You could start with that same start.hcps.org page, but this way also works. hcps.org. If you've already read this, close out. Click on Students, Resources for Students, and go down to Other, and it'll take you to the Holt Online Textbook Sign-In. You might have to put in, once again, your email address and your username and your password. I hope these steps have helped.